Now VHF trans receiver. Okay, what is this equipment? If we'll ask you, how will you say? VHF
transmitter,
trans
receiver.
Okay, so what telephony DSC you'll have to tell now. So what is this equipment?
So this VHF transistor, this VHF DSC.
VHF trans receiver for radio telephony. So now your answer should be that way. Okay, now you know all the functions in this.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you switch it off. Switch it off.
Switch it off.
Switch it off.
बटन को
Switch it
घुमाना
off.
भाई।
घुमा दो.
Okay, now you switch it on. Okay, by switching it on you are turning the knob.
Yes, sir.
What are you actually doing?
So I'm increasing the voice.
Increasing the
Voice.
volume.
Yes, volume.
What is volume? अभी technical question. What is volume? इतना बड़ा बड़ा डायग्राम करके दिखाया ना. What is volume? Audible audio frequency.
Increase.
एक word है.
Power.
Audio.
AF
Amplifier.
क्या बढ़ाते क्या हो?
Not
किससे
gain.
आवाज आया? Audio frequency gain. You are increasing the gain. Okay. So volume control is AF gain technically. Okay. So that is you are increasing the gain. That's why the volume is increasing. No.
Yes, sir.
Simple as that. Okay. Now, what is squelch?
Sir, for squelch we reduce the noise.
No. By reducing the
By
squelch, you
squeezing
get noise.
we reduce the noise.
Okay. Now, when do you use squelch?
So when the frequency is very low, weak signal, when there is a very weak signal.
Signal is receiving signal is very weak. Okay, so that you increase the noise and cut off the unwanted close stations. Okay, now can you go on channel 11?
Yes, sir.
Can you go on dual watch channel 11 and 12?
No, sir.
Yes.
That's carrying.
Dual watch channel 11 and 12.
Let's just multi and let's just
Dual watch is only 11 and 16. So any channel with 16. Okay. So now can you go on now dual watch?
This is a dual watch.
Okay. Now if somebody is transmitting on 16,
Yes.
what will happen?
So it will automatically listen for the 16.
It will keep listening on
to
16.
16, yes.
Okay. If somebody is transmitting only on 11, what will happen?
It will listen for 10 seconds and then
अभी 10 second dual watch में कहाँ से आया?
yes, it will listen to 11.
It will listen on 11.
11.
Confusion.
वो
Scan.
scanning में है.
Okay. So if it is listening on 11, same time if somebody is transmitting on 16,
So then it will switch to channel 16 then.
priority. Now understood? Simple question. Okay. Now, can you go back to channel 11?
Channel 11, sir.
Why did you go to 16? Press 1 again, no?
Okay, sir.
Okay? Yes. No. Okay. Can you increase the power output?
Yes, sir.
You can increase the power output. You are decreasing it. Okay? Can you increase the power output? The power output was already more. You have reduced it. Press 1 watt again. Shift dual watt 1 watt again. Okay?
It's already
Now you
16
know.
to 25.
Okay, you know what is private channels?
Yes.
Private channels can be programmed.
Yes, sir.
You know the dimmer function, you know US function.
Yes, sir.
Go to channel 67.
Channel 67.
67. Go to US.
This is the US, sir.
Okay. What is it showing?
So it's showing
US?
US in this private channel.
No. What is
1
showing?
watt.
1 watt.
Okay? Why 1 watt?
Because in US have a convention they
All the
channels are
US
in 1
channels
watt.
automatically it changes over to
1 watt.
1 watt. मुझे दे दीजिए. Okay?
Yes, sir.
ये विशाल को भी कर दिया.
गेट पे सबमिट करना है ना? नहीं.
जा रहे हैं सर.
Okay. So now come back from US.
16 for that.
US अभी
come
नहीं
out of
आया।
US.
US.
Shift and US again. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Shift and US. Press shift and US again. Okay, now can you keep dual watch on 11 12? Same question.
11, 12.
12.
Yes, sir.
Not only on dual watch, you have to go on
Scan
Scanning.
scan mode. Okay, so do it. So before going
You
and
have to
checking,
check.
you have got to check what is there in scan. है ना? To check.
$67 $68
Only two channels are there.
6, 7,
Yes.
6, 7.
first we have to delete it
Okay. Now in your scan mode, 67 and 68 is there.
69.
Yes, sir.
67 and 68. 69. 3 are there.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Very good. Now, listen to the question. Remove 67 and 69. 67 and 69.
Yes, sir.
Put 11 and 13 into the same scan program. Can you do it?
Yes, sir.
Remove 67 and 69. Put 11 and 13. Can you do it? Go ahead. Do it.
On the same sequence.
Sequence could be, doesn't matter. So what will you do?
So, the shift.
No, scan delete.
Always channel first.
Yes,
67
sir. 67.
shift scan delete
Shift. Scan delete.
69.
And then
Put 69.
69
69.
Shift.
Shift.
Scan delete.
Delete.
Now 68 there.
6
Then
Now program.
11.
Shift.
Shift.
Scan it. 1 3.
11.
Shift.
Scan it.
Now show me.
So
Save 1.
Keep it pressed.
68, 11, 30.
Okay. Now all of you should know the jumbling. एक दूसरे को पूछो ये ऐड करो ये डिलीट करो ये ऐड करो ये डिलीट करो. Okay. This is good practice. Simple है. But you must know this. Okay. Now the equipment, put it on scan. Put it on scan. Okay. If somebody is transmitting on 11 13 and 68, it will listen.
Yes, sir.
In addition to that, 16 also. How is the sequence of scanning?
So for a period of 10 seconds.
No, don't know the second. अभी तक हमने देखा ही नहीं.
11, 13.
time is
11 16 12 13 16 68 16. This is what the sequence. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. Now, what is the scan time in this program? Just check. Shift
Scan.
scan time. Scan time नीचे
5
10 seconds.
10 seconds.
Can you change it to 15 seconds?
Yes.
yes sir
5. Scan.
again 1 5
Again 1 5.
हाँ 1 5 save scan it.
तुरंत करो फिर करो जल्दी करो तभी होगा हो गया
Shift scan time now.
शिफ्ट
Okay. So now, what is this scan time supposed to be?
So this this scan time listened for one channel for 15 seconds. Maximum time.
Go to shift and scan. Now you know 11 13 68 are scanned in addition to 16, correct? If somebody is transmitting on 13, what will happen?
It will listen to that channel for
15
continuously. It
seconds.
will listen to that channel
For 15
15
seconds.
seconds.
And
And if another transmission is there for another channel, it will listen to that.
then after 16
after 15 seconds, it will start scanning again.
Again.
Yes, sir.
It will start scanning. Listening period is 15 seconds.
सर एक 3:1 का आपने रेशियो बताया
That is for sending, for the dual watch.
ओके
For the dual watch. Roughly
Three-
3:1, this is a ratio, not
3
seconds.
सेकंड दूसरा चैनल और 1 सेकंड 60
This is to say that, but actually 3:1 ratio. Remember 3:1. Okay. So scan time is the listening period where somebody is transmitting. Okay.
Yes.
So now all the functions we know in this, all the functions in the VHF DSC you know.
Yes, sir.
Okay, तू जा बैठ अभी next. कौन है? Okay. Now in VHF DSC.
बैठना नहीं
Go to functions. Okay, you know all the functions here.
Yes.
What is display?
Display, we can increase the contrast, light.
Brightness,
Brightness
or
and-
contrast. Okay. Now position update we have seen.
Yes, sir.
Station. Go to station.
एरो बटन
स्क्रीन टच मोबाइल
ठीक है.
Next. Okay. Now you can press any alphabet. Any alphabet. And press up and down.
We
Okay.
can
Station program. Can you program any station in this?
yes, sir.
How will you program? Don't delete anything. Can you program a new station? Program your name. To do that, first you have to get out of this.
Yes, sir.
If you are, please remember, if any station is displayed, no, you cannot program till the time you get out of it. So either press last or go back to functions. Go to stations.
नेक्स्ट
Okay, now what is your name?
Dina Pandey.
दीना
दीना
पांडे
Dina. So put Dina. DINA.
देखो देना पांडे
Dina. D कहाँ से है? उधर नंबर 2 में है.
अरे 3 में 3 में
Yes, sir.
2 में है
2 में है 2. 2. Okay. Press side arrow. Side arrow. Okay. अभी 3. 1, 2, 3. अभी 5.
देना पांडे
Okay.
सन ऑफ लिखा है
1.
Sorry.
1.
Sorry.
इन द
Okay. Now one moment.
Yes.
Now all of you pay attention. Press enter. Then only it will come down. Okay.
यस सर
Now put some number. 419, 419, 419. Chips ID. MMS ID. Okay.
वाह
Now how to pay attention? Huh? How to program this? Press enter and then next. Okay. Don't just press
प्रेस एंटर
press enter
And next.
and next.
Okay.
हाँ,
Station is
stop.
stored. Okay.
यस सर
Now you know how to. Please do it. Practice when you are doing.
You
this.
have to delete
now,
also.
Now delete Dina.
लास्ट
ठीक है
नेक्स्ट
नहीं बराबर है बराबर है. नो नो एडिट नहीं है.
रुक जाओ.
साइड एरो बैक एरो बैक एरो बैक एरो. ओके नाउ प्रेस नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट
इंटर सर
नेक्स्ट.
इंटर से नीचे आएगा ना
नहीं
एक हटाना पड़ेगा ना
Sir.
ये ऑनलाइन
प्रेस एंटर प्रेस एंटर.
नीचे
राइट डी 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 सर्च
Don't
फॉर
waste
डीना
don't waste time. Go back to functions. Okay, go to station.
नेक्स्ट
Next.
डी
Okay.
डी
ऊपर नीचे
Press
वाला.
D number 2.
प्लस डी
Okay. Press up and down arrow.
डीना
Now press back arrow.
बैक
Back arrow. Now press enter. Press next.
Yes.
Press back arrow. Yes.
नेक्स्ट
Yes. Next. See, it is very simple.
Yes.
Only some sequence is there. You must know it. Okay. So now go back to functions. Okay. You know what is the time?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Go back. Press last. 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 Okay. Now, what is this time?
16:30.
India.
India time UTC.
India time UTC?
Local time, sir. Local time.
लोकल टाइम
Are you sure?
LMT.
Local time?
यस
Yes. Yes, sir.
Hmm?
यूटीसी
Local time.
LMT.
LMT,
Local time.
local time.
लोकल टाइम
That
Last
is
time
because.
we have changed this
लोकल टाइम
Okay, go back to functions. Go to time. Next. Put this 0 0. Not that way. Up and down. When up and down arrows are shown, don't touch the keypad.
Yes.
Next. Okay. Now what is the time now?
1442.
16
1642.
1642. Now what was this time earlier? This is UTC. This is UTC. Okay. So UTC means this is GMT time.
Yeah, this one is
Your look,
GMT.
so now whatever is GMT, if you press next now, press next, press next. Okay, see.
Yes, sir.
So now what is displayed is
This
now
one.
it is UTC.
UTC, yes.
Okay, now it is UTC. Okay, now a small exercise, very simple. We are in Australia. Okay, we are in Australia. GMT plus 8.
लास्ट टाइम भी सर वो डाउट था वो ऊपर में जो टाइम है सर वो सिस्टम का और वो यूटीसी के भी मैच नहीं करते सर
That is because it is not updated here in the system. Don't worry.
अच्छा वो जो 6 है वो सिस्टम टाइम है सर
System time. Okay. Anyway, now we are in Australia. GMT plus 8. So now it is 16:45 here. Okay. 16:45. So what should be GMT? We are in Australia. 16:45. So what should be GMT?
Plus 8 है तो
8
दो
hours
घंटे
behind
आगे।
us.
4 to 6.
16:45
18
We are in Australia.
11:15
What is UTC?
19:15
We are in Australia
सब
now.
पीछे जाएंगे
अच्छा,
ये
पीछे
सुबह मॉर्निंग होगा
So GMT plus 8 है हम
यस
लोग.
सर
11
माइनस करेंगे
minus 3
8 होगा
915
15 मिनट में
915
8:30 नहीं बाबा.
915
We are 8 hours ahead of UTC
8:40
and it is 16:45. So it is 8:45.
8:45
तो वही तो अच्छा,
Ah,
और
so now you know.
यस
So now you program your equation. Such a simple question.
time next
GMT
ये
plus
तो
8
लेगा
है ना?
नहीं।
Why are you asking? GMT plus 8 next. What should be the GMT time? 8 no?
यस
Left arrow. Left. और एक बार left और हाँ
अप डाउन
down 8 40 44 करो 44 side arrow 40 up okay बस okay date is correct
yes sir
press next क्या किया अभी
मेरी उसमें
Where mistake?
-8 करना चाहिए
वो माइनस करेंगे सर वो माइनस
do it
माइनस
ऐसे करते जाओ हो जाएगा Next.
okay press
Next.
next okay next now go to functions
So this is local time now
yes because you have put time zone no when you put time zone you will get local time okay now test go to test wait which all tests are allowed here DSC test
DST internal test
only allowed external
external not allowed on BST.
not allowed
Yes.
okay good
Non-radiation.
so do what is another name for that test
Non-radiating.
non-radiating और कुछ
लूप
loop
test.
back test
Loop
okay
back test.
you can see it ध्यान दो उधर you can see that press next loop back test so that test in progress so internal test on VHF only external not permitted
Yes.
okay we have completed most of the functions excluding VHF channel now what is VHF channel what is VHF channel
वो बता देंगे कौन सा
सर कौन से चैनल पे हम लोग
press
transmit
68 remotely showing your VHF trans receiver channel correct
68,
answer
yes.
what is RX messages
जो मैंने रिसीव किया मैसेज वो सब दिखाएगा इसमें
Which
इट विल
all?
डिस्प्लेड
which all
ऑल 20 मैसेजेस लास्ट 20 मैसेज
so press next RX what is ordinary what is distress
ऑर्डिनरी मींस सम सर ये पैन सेफ्टी रिलेटेड पैन और सिक्योरिटी रिलेटेड
एनी अदर मैसेजेस एक्सेप्ट डिस्ट्रेस मैसेज
see
Yes, sir.
what they are giving distress means only original incoming distress alerts and ordinary means everything else
Some other
acknowledgements urgency safety routine everything 20 distress 20 ordinary okay VHF finished
ओनली इनका
हाँ हर एक
एक ऊपर क्या लिखा है, टाइप ऑफ,
रिसीव
और हम लोग ने जो भेजा हुआ वो कहाँ बच सकता है,
किधर है,
हम लोग ने नहीं कर सकता,
प्रिंटर चालू करो,
जो उसे प्रिंटर में ही पता चलेगा।
प्रिंटर पावर ऑन,
अच्छा
इफ इट इज ऑन इट विल बी देयर,
नेट
मतलब ऐसा उसमें सिस्टम नहीं
वो
issue
किसी और के उधर रहेगा ना। ओके नाउ बैक अगेन प्रिंटर, प्रेस प्रिंटर अगेन। ओके नाउ एनी क्वेश्चंस हियर? ओके नाउ प्लीज प्रैक्टिस। ओके
वो लोग इतना ही क्वेश्चन पूछे
रिकॉर्डिंग बंद कर, अभी हो गया। ओके
सर वो एड्रेस बुक में रहेगा ना लास्ट 26